nagka-girlfriend doon?
Never pa.
Never, my God.
Pero ngayon po kasi yung pinaka-focus ko po talaga is yung career ko po. Hindi pa po pumapasok sa isip ko yung mga relationships, ganun. Bawal.
Lumabas yung He's Entering yung cast. Ang daming sabi na she's not fit for the role. So I think she's very inspired to prove them wrong. And I believe she can do that.
And you like that?
Yes.
And that kind of girl who inspires.
Of course. Because if you are passionate about your work, nakaka-inspire.
Will you bring that admiration to the next level?
Grabe naman po. Right now, I've been working with Belle for only like 2 months. And I think that's what we're focusing right now. Not in peace into her, yes po.
Mawis yung kamay ko. So,
Hindi yan usual.
ha?
Hindi yan usual.
Sure yun. Sabi nila, ano?
Actually, si Direk po nagturo kung paano maging host, kung paano mag-audience. Hindi ko alam kung galing ni Direk. Pinanda lang siguro namin kasi magpaganda kasi si Donnie, obviously, parang single pa.